Away they go. Chismis, Mutiara, Soul Provider. Moving up by the Red Kaligatan. And also rushing up is Mokai. Soul Provider by Anek. Mutiara in between runners. Moving up by the Red Kaligatan. And Mokai racing forward by about 4 lengths. Rushing up, winning and taking the pitch spot by the rallies Bebot. Moving up by the rail number 4, Andorra. And rounding the far turn, Kaligatan by about 2 lengths. Soul Provider in second. Mutiara, Mokai winning hand is running in fifth. Bebot running in 6 by about 2 lengths. Then comes Willow Fame. Andorra, Paragots, Order, Mike's Dancer. As they race off on a corner. Kaligatan by a length and a half. Soul Provider is on the outside and moving up is Mokai and nearing the finish line. It's still Soul Provider on the outside, but the rally's winning hand. Rushing up, Willow Fame in between runners and Mutiara winning, and Willow Fame is on the outside, Mutiara, and finally Willow Fame winning hand, Mutiara, Soul Provider, and Max Dancer for your Fantafecta.